Achievement Award to the one, the only, Ariel Torreta.
To present the Abel Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Ballenera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat PMPC, thank you. Boy, nagulat ako, si Pops ang galing para mag-Tagalog. Naalala ko siya yung sasabi, Martin! Ngayon,
marunong
na.
Madami ako natutunan sa'yo.
Maraming salamat PMPC at saka Tito Good. Thank you. Hindi dahil sa matanda sa akin, no. Dahil napangasawa ko yung pamangkin niya. Maiden Snatcher, alam niyo na. Itong award, maraming salamat. And I'm sorry, I have to correct something. Hindi po ako lumabas sa Stop, Look, Listen. Now, I don't blame you because wala ka sa inyo pinapanganak ng araw. It's 12 o'clock hayop mula kong palabas. Kasama ko si Gina Revilla. Stop, Look, Listen. Wala ko doon. It doesn't matter. You don't even know what Stop, Look, Listen is. That was at least 60 years ago.
Oh my God.
Maraming salamat PMPC. Tsaka, natutuwa din ako, kita ko si Boy Abunda. Dahil, yan ang mga competition ko dati sa sa magiging host. Eh, nilagpas-lagpasan na ako eh. Maraming salamat at sana marami pang mga bata ngayon na magbigay ng service to the country for a long time. Feeling ko nito eh, pag meron kang achievement award eh, matanda ka na, which is true. But I'm glad to be alive, ha? It's a better option. So, from my heart and from my family, thank you. Maraming salamat PMPC.